Hello guys! You want to learn how to make the most delicious vegan carrot cake? Stay here with me. First, we need to get some ingredients ready. Let's start with the apple puree that we're going to need for this recipe. Next, we're gonna grate one big carrot and we're gonna crush some almonds. Finally, we're going to activate 3 tablespoons of grounded flax seeds with 9 tablespoons of water. With that ready, this is what we need for this recipe. Now it's time to start making this cake. So now for baking, I'm using a springform pan. This will make it much easier to remove the cake. However, we still need to use a little bit of coconut oil to avoid the cake stick to the pan. Now, pour the mixture into the baking pan. Try to spread it evenly before taking it to the oven. While the cake is baking, let's make the frosting. Sorry guys, I had a little problem with my camera while shooting this part, but I will try to explain what I did here. So this time I'm not using a mixer, I used this whisk. So basically I whisked the coconut milk to make it a little bit more creamy. And then I diluted 1/4 teaspoon of the xanthan gum into 2 tablespoons of honey and added it slowly to the coconut milk without stopping whisking until I got this texture. And that's it, we are ready to decorate this cake. So make sure before you pour the frosting onto the cake to let it cool. If not, the frosting will melt. Be creative and decorate the cake as you like. This time I used crushed almonds and cranberries on the top. It makes an amazing match with this cake. And there you are, a super delicious and super healthy vegan carrot cake. I hope you like it and you make it, and let me know in the comments how it was. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.